Okay, so I got a '06 Ford Focus. It died while I was going down the road. Looked on the internet. One thing I could find was this little thing right here that people were saying they were having problems with. And it was blowing a number 9 fuse. Checked all my fuses, every single fuse in the car. It was all fine. Come over here, started taking the fuse box off. I was going to check the ground underneath the fuse box. And this plug right here, see if you can see it, it was halfway out of where it was supposed to connect into. The clip was broke on it. So, shoved it back up on there. Car starts like a brand new one. I'm gonna tape it up and hope that fixes it.